In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload Instagram Reels to Hootsuite. If you use Hootsuite for social media management, this is a simple way to post your Instagram Reels without having to switch back and forth between tools. Follow along at your own pace, and if you need to, pause while you are finding each button. To begin, log into Hootsuite. Open your browser and go to the Hootsuite site. Then sign in using your usual account. Take a moment to make sure you land in your main dashboard, because that is where you will see the options for creating a new post. Once you are logged in and ready, you can move to the next part. Next, click Create, and then choose Post. On most dashboards, the Create option is near the top, or in a navigation area that helps you start a new publishing workflow. When you click it, Hootsuite will open a post composer. At this stage, it is normal to see blank fields for selecting a social profile, choosing content, and writing the caption, so do not worry if nothing is filled in yet. Now you need to select your Instagram account. In the post composer, look for a drop-down or a selection area where you can choose which social profile you want to publish from. Choose the Instagram account that you want to use for this reel. Make sure you pick the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. This selection matters because it determines where your reel will be sent. After you select the Instagram account, you are ready to upload your reel video. Find the upload area inside the composer and choose the reel file from your computer or device. Hootsuite will start processing the video. While it uploads, you may see a progress indicator. Wait until the video finishes loading so you can be confident the post is ready. If Hootsuite asks for permission or confirms the media, follow the prompts and then let it complete. Once the video is uploaded, you will want to add your caption and hashtags. In the caption field, type the text you want your audience to see under the reel. Keep your caption clear and aligned with the message of the video. Then include hashtags in the same caption area, using whatever hashtag format you normally use for Instagram. Be mindful of length because very long captions can be harder for viewers to read. At this point, take a quick moment to review your post details before publishing. Confirm that the correct Instagram account is selected. The video is the one you intended to upload, and the caption and hashtags are spelled correctly. This is also a good moment to check for any preview options that show how the reel will look in the feed. When everything looks right, you are ready to send it. Now you have two choices for finishing the process. Click Post Now or Schedule. If you want the reel to go live immediately, choose Post Now. If you prefer to plan ahead, select Schedule instead, and set the date and time you want the reel to publish. Scheduling is useful when you want to coordinate posting times with your audience or your content calendar. After you make that choice, confirm the final action if Hootsuite asks you to verify your publishing. Then allow a brief moment for Hootsuite to complete the submission. Once it is done, your reel will be queued or published according to the option you selected. You can then monitor performance from your Hootsuite tools if you have analytics connected, and that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.